Is your cold making you feel really ill and downright miserable? Are you struggling to sleep with an annoying dry or wet cough? Typically in the fall, autumn and winter months, people with depressed immune system or nutrient deficiencies may be prone to catching the common cold. The good news is that there are plenty of natural cold remedies to help you kick your symptoms and cold fast. Colds are caused by any one of 200 viruses that other people's sneezes or coughs have placed in the air or something you've touched. Maybe you are experiencing symptoms such as congestion, itchy throat, slightly blocked nose, sneezing or coughing, or maybe you have watery eyes, lack of sleep, foggy brain and an unhealthy digestive tract, or maybe you're just generally feeling ill with slight body aches. Well, in this video I'm going to show you 6 home remedies for cold and cough to kill the virus fast, including a 1-minute method to fight infections and boost brain power, a pleasant tasting fruit that protects your white blood cells, and how to do all this without expensive trips to the chemist. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you a guide to everyday herbal remedies that give your health instant relief. Just imagine if you could take something to boost your army of white blood cells to help heal your immune system naturally. But before that, if you like videos about rediscovering home remedies, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out and tick the notification bell. The free guide, Everyday Herbal Remedies that give your health instant relief, is in the description down below. So let's get into it. Remedy number 1, garlic. Garlic helps boost immune function with its antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial properties. Garlic cloves, Allium sativum, the species in the Alliaceae plant family, contain a secret weapon, allicin. An organosulfur compound helps fight infections, protect heart health, helps to protect against cancer formation and protects the brain from oxidative stress. Hold a small clove of garlic in your mouth. Just chew into small pieces and swallow with water. Are you feeling brave enough to try this evening? Remedy number 2. Before I show you remedy number 2, comment down below, my favourite dish with garlic is blank. Remedy number 2, Echinacea. At the first sign of a cold, take Echinacea. Studies show it cuts the chances of catching a common cold by 58%. Echinacea is a native North American coneflower that was discovered and used as a traditional herbal remedy for more than 400 years by the Great Plains Indian tribes. It contains high concentrations of volatile oils and polysaccharides that are known to trigger immune function. Echinacea helps fight viral infections, alleviates pain and is anti-inflammatory. Take in tincture or capsule form 4 times a day. Prior to 1950 and the introduction of antibiotics, Echinacea held an esteemed medicinal status. Did you know that? Remedy number 3, Elderberry. According to research by virologist Madeline Shunglo, the flu and cold virus contains spikes which are used to get a foothold onto healthy white cells. Elderberry extract interferon disarms these spikes, showing a significant improvement of symptoms to complete relief within 2 to 3 days. Elderberries are small blue-black berries found on different varieties of the sambucus tree from the Adoxiae family. Elderberry contains quercetin, camphophora, rutin, phenolic acids and flavonoids which have immune-boosting properties. It's available in powdered or capsule form. Elderberry syrup is very popular, up to 10 millilitres a day. Hippocrates, the ancient Greek, known as the father of medicine, described the plant as his medicine chest. Did you know that? Remedy number 4, vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important water-soluble vitamin that doubles as a powerful antioxidant. It helps fight harmful free radicals and protect cells against oxidative damage. It decreases symptoms and shortens the duration of respiratory infections like the common cold. Fruits and vegetables are especially high in vitamin C, but as soon as you notice cold or flu symptoms, supplementation is recommended. In order to take hold, the cold virus must get inside your cells and reprogram them to make more cold viruses, which then infect other cells. However, If the body's tissues are high in vitamin C, the virus cannot survive. A daily intake of 2 to 3 grams with added bioflavonoids spread out during the day may maintain a high level of immune protection. Did you know the Australian kakadu plum is the most potent vitamin C food on the planet? Remedy number 5, zinc. Zinc is the best mineral for supporting immune function, has an antiviral effect and acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. High protein foods such as red meat, poultry, other meats, nuts and beans contain the highest amounts of naturally occurring zinc. If you notice cold or flu symptoms, supplementation is recommended. It works best when taken at the first sign of illness. Research published in the Cochrane database of systematic reviews found that when zinc was taken within 24 hours of the onset of cold-related symptoms, the symptoms lasted a significantly shorter period of time. A daily intake of up to 50 milligrams may maintain a high level of immune protection. Try zinc picolinate plus copper for good absorption. As well as being a well-known aphrodisiac, oysters are the most potent natural source of zinc. Did you know that? Remedy number 6, oregano oil. Oregano oil is one of the most powerful essential oils in the world. It contains powerful antioxidants and components that help fight bacterial and viral infections. Oregano, Oreganum vulgare, is a herb that is a member of the mint Echinacea family. Caldol, one of the main components in oregano, has been shown to possess antiviral properties. This enables oregano oil to delay viral disease progression and improve resistance to infections. Add 4 to 5 drops in a glass of water 3 to 4 times a day. Did you know the herb got its name from the Greeks, where oregano means joy of the mountain? Now, would you agree probably the most important thing in your life is your health? You want to be in a position to know how to heal your health as quickly and as naturally as possible, right? Don't wait for your health to deteriorate to take care of it. Ignorance is the worst disease. Why not investigate for yourself? That's why I've put together a free 10-minute guide, everyday herbal remedies that give your health instant relief to make this easier for you. With this, you'll never have to worry about your lack of health knowledge ever again, because it will guide you on the path to healing yourself naturally. So click the link in the description below to get your free download. If you want more videos on rediscovering home remedies, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. The playlist here contains more videos on remedies for colds and coughs. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps us know which kind of content you guys enjoy, and we can make more of it in the future.